puppy. Look at that puppy. He's just so adorable. Who's a good boy, Max? Alright, so, still snowy, obviously, because it is December, and it's getting very close. So, there's only 11 days left until my birthday. Woo! Gonna be an adult. Had a half day today, so exams. I think they went pretty well, and I didn't do the bird thing for the advent calendar thing, so I'll do that now. Oh, I guess I might have done it yesterday. So 13 is back this way. Pretty little birdies. So tomorrow is FEM, and I'm going by myself. But I'm going with a group of friends, kind of. Anywho, yeah. Well, I hope your Friday is as awesome as mine is. I gotta work later. And yeah. See you next week. Bye-bye.